So really, most people, the first thing they're going to do when they get a wood oven is to cook pizza, because that's what we're all going to do. We're going to get it screaming hot, get all our pizza toppings out and cook a pizza. I mean, the real trick to handling pizza dough is to have lots of semolina, or a mixture of semolina and pizza flour. But essentially, it acts like a sea of ball bearings. So you imagine thousands of tiny little balls underneath your pizza dough so it can move around freely on there.
You can cook anything in a wood-fired oven. You can grill, you can do great steaks, you can do like roasting, like a nice Sunday roast or something. You can smoke low and slow if you've got good control over the heat. You can do nice delicate things like fish and seafood. You can cook nice puddings as well, nice cakes and breads and things like that. Anything you can cook in a wood-fired oven, really.
If you cook occasionally, you know, every third weekend, it takes a very long time to get really, really confident. But if you set yourself a little challenge, for one weekend you're going to do all of your cooking in your wood-fired oven. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Suddenly you're feeling super confident and you know what's going to happen next, and all of that stress has disappeared. I can do anything in my wood-fired oven. I can make breakfast, I can cook brunch, I can make lunch, I can cook afternoon tea and make some scones or a fruitcake or a tray bake, and then move into dinner and roasting and cooking steaks and all sorts of things.